Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving straight into an incredibly powerful framework today, the 2026 AI Website Builder Blueprint. Look, if you're planning to upgrade your online presence this year, you already know that AI has totally flipped a script. But honestly, there is so much noise out there right now. How do you actually evaluate these tools? And more importantly, how do you actually profit from them? Well, today, we're going to systematically walk through the absolute ultimate guide to vetting these platforms, making sure you don't waste a single second of your time on outdated tech.
So let me ask you right off the bat, are you ready to build a truly professional site in 2026 with absolutely zero coding? Because let's be real, that is the baseline today. Back in the day, no code basically meant clunky templates and super frustrating limitations, but not anymore. Any modern tool worth its salt has to empower you to launch a top-tier site without you having to touch a single line of HTML or CSS. If a platform asks you to code just to get a simple button to work, yeah, it completely fails the 2026 test, instantly.
And a competent AI builder definitely can't be a one-trick pony. We're evaluating these tools based on their ability to build a totally unified ecosystem. Like, an AI might be really great at spinning up a quick blog, but what happens when you try to integrate a full e-commerce storefront or a high-converting landing page for lead generation? If it drops the ball there, it just won't make the cut. You absolutely need a platform that scales effortlessly right alongside your ambitions, seamlessly handling everything from a basic business site all the way up to a massive online store.
So how do we find that perfect platform? We need to apply the ultimate evaluation checklist. Let's get right into it. All right, here are the 5 mandatory checks that every single AI tool must pass before you invest your valuable time. Number 1, what it does, its core functionality. Number 2, its best features, like what is its unique edge. 3 is pricing, which we're going to drill into in just a second. 4, the pros and cons. And finally, number 5, who is it best for? Now, this last one is so critical, you guys. A platform that's totally optimized for a solo creator could be an absolute nightmare for a scaling e-commerce brand. You really have to align the tool's intended audience with your own specific goals. Okay, let's drill down into step 3 for a second, pricing. You've got to ruthlessly compare the free plans against the paid plans. Why? Because an AI builder might try to lure you in with this amazing-sounding free tier, only to turn around and lock essential features, things like custom domains or checkout pages, behind a massive paywall later on. You need to know exactly where the ceiling is right up front so you can protect your profit margins from day one. And just like we have to weigh pricing, we've got to balance the pros against the cons. Look, every AI builder is going to require some kind of compromise. Maybe the site generation is lightning fast, but the customization is a bit rigid. Or maybe it offers insane design freedom, but the learning curve is super steep. You've got to acknowledge a platform's flaws just as much as its flashy features, so you aren't completely blindsided 3 weeks into building your site.
Which brings us to what might just be the most vital question of all. Does it actually feature new AI updates released in 2026? We are living in a time where AI is literally evolving by the month. If you're looking at a platform that's still relying on legacy 2024 or 2025 tech, you are already way behind the curve. You need to demand the absolute latest advancements, whether that's predictive design, localized SEO generation, or even advanced automated customer service bots.
Okay, so you've vetted the tech and you've built the perfect site. Now for the fun part. Let's talk about the ultimate goal here, paths to monetization.
Because at the end of the day, a beautiful website is really just digital real estate, right? Here is exactly how you turn it into a thriving business. Step 1 is affiliate marketing, which is a super easy integration for AI-generated blogs. Then, as your traffic grows, Step 2 is monetizing with ads. Step 3, selling digital products directly to your audience, which lets you skip shipping logistics entirely. Step 4 is turning your site into a high-end portfolio to attract service and consulting clients. And finally, Step 5, subscriptions. This is where you lock your absolute best content behind a paywall for that sweet recurring revenue. An elite AI builder is going to make plugging into all these streams completely frictionless.
And that leads us straight to the ultimate acid test, execution. Let's say your goal is to build a site that makes a solid $100 a day. Can this specific AI tool automatically generate a high-converting landing page, seamlessly connect to your payment gateway, and auto-format your affiliate links without the whole thing breaking? If it can't execute a real profitable use case smoothly, well, it fails the blueprint. I mean, theory is great, but execution is what actually pays the bills.
We've really covered a lot of ground in today's Explainer, analyzing exactly what it takes for a platform to survive the 2026 standard. From zero coding versatility to robust monetization, the criteria are officially set. So I'm going to leave you with this final crucial question.
Which AI tool is going to meet this 2026 standard for your business? The blueprint is in your hands now. Go out there, cut through all the noise, and hunt down that perfect builder to launch your brand new income stream. Thanks so much for joining me today, and happy building!